You know what's slowing enterprises down in 2025? It's not the competition and it's not the market. It's outdated operation which feels like it's 2015. Because here's the truth. Generative AI is not just a tool anymore, but it's a necessity which every business or enterprise desperately needs right now. Hey leaders, managers and change makers, think about how long approvals, reports and decisions used to take. Now imagine that whole life cycle of that process from weeks to just minutes. That's what generative AI is doing right now for enterprises in 2025. The problem was old school operations that were holding businesses back, due to which teams trapped in silos, data scattered everywhere, reports that eat hours and hours, and decisions which takes a lot of time to come. And as a result, missed opportunities, overworked employees, and growth stuck in slow motion. In 2025, business as usual is fastest way to fall behind. Here's the shift. Generative AI isn't just answering questions, but it's running operations smarter. With workflows that approve themselves, forecasting that predicts instead of guesses, employee training that adapts to each person, customer support that's instant and context aware, and data turned into clear, confident decisions. In short, GenAI acts like a 24/7 operations chief. At Melonleaf, we have seen enterprises unlock 40% faster workflows, big cost savings, and employees finally freed from repetitive tasks. This isn't just efficiency, it's reinvention. So here's the real question. Are your operations running your business or is it slowing it down?